Hello everybody. Today we have a planned to saw few logs with my bandsaw. I have this kind of Swedish made Logosol B751 Pro bandsaw, and this is meant to be to make lumber. I have used this few years, and I think this is very nice equipment for home use. It's of course it's a little slow when compared to real sawmill, but this is anyway this is just good for my use. So let's see together how this is how we can use this machine, and which kind of quality we can make with this. But first thing is to make this saw able to work. So first thing is to check that we have fuel in this saw. This fuel this saw does have a gasoline engine, and this is equipped with Brigs&Stratton 18 horsepower engine, and this is I think it's just a good size for this kind of saw. But let's check that it has a gasoline. Yes, there's some, not so much, but there's some. We can there's enough to test if it wants to start. So first thing, when you begin using this kind of saw, is to make a blade tight. When the saw is out of use, you must always make a blade band loose. Now it's get some rust, but it's not a problem. Now it's loose. First thing to do is to make it tight in right tightness. It's very exact. It must be not too loose, not too tight. Let's see how it's done first. Okay. Let's open this covering first. This is for this is blade covering. Very first thing is to make this a little tire first. This is the handle which is used to tighten the band, and now it's just loose. First we put it little tire like this, little tight like this. Okay, and this reason for this is to prevent blade to go away when we open this cover. Okay, when we start, now we have opened the cover. So when we start to make this blade for in right thickness, how it's said in English?
Tight.
Tight. Right tight. Right tightness.
Right tight.
Right tightness. Yes. When we start to put this blade in right tightness, we have here this kind of measurement. Here we can see when it is in right tightness, and now I start to tightening it with this handle here. So we can watch here when I turn this handle, it will move little by little, like you can see. And when this red mark here is same line with this indicator, in its tightness is right.
Not yet. Yeah.
Now it's now blade is right. In right tightness, and we can start the motor. Now let's close this cover now. Here we have this kind of clamp. This is holding the cover up. We just push it like this, and now we can close the cover. like this. And here we have this kind of clip, and this must be put like this. And both sides there is this kind of rubber thing, this kind of clamp, and we can use this to close the cover like this. Flop.
Yeah, okay.
And same in the other side here. Clack. Now the cover is closed. We can start to try if this motor will start. So let's try if this wants to start. Here we have a fuel tap. This red one. First we must open the fuel tap like this. Now it will get gasoline. And here we have a stroke. We will put it on. And then we just try to start it. Yeah, I think that gasoline is on its way. It's not still there. Yeah, for some reason it doesn't want to start now. Maybe the gasoline is old. Oh. Damn. Oh, maybe we will add some more gasoline first, but maybe it's too little. Let's check. Why it doesn't stop? Oh, we have some problem with this saw, with this. We don't have any problem with this saw. Now it's running. I thought that we had a gasoline problem because we did start the motor about 5 minutes and it didn't give any promise to get started. I don't know why gasoline did not go through this time, but now it's running. Very good, very good. Now we can start go on preparations for sowing. Oh, very good. So this Logosol saw, this is like I said earlier, this is Swedish made saw, and this can be equipped with different motors. Some of them are equipped with electric motor, and there are few options for gasoline motor also. And I have the version with Brigs&Stratton 1 quart 18 horsepower motor, and this is, I think this is just good motor for this. We still have one very important preparation for this saw to make it ready for sawing. We need to put water for how to say it? It's lubricating the blade, saw blade, because we are sawing this kind of log, which is spruce, and it has this very sticky thing inside. I don't know what's it's in English, but what?
Latex.
Latex. I think it's latex. It's inside the tree, and it makes also stick in the blade and all that, and it makes also the blade getting hot. So we put water to lubricate the saw blade, and for that use we have this kind of tank here in the saw. This is the tank for water. Yeah, up here. We will put some water. Now when it's not cold yet, it's not freezing temperature, it's over 0 degrees, we can use only water. But when it gets colder and when temperature is under 0 degrees, water would of course get frozen, and in that case we will use liquid which is used for washing windows of car. That's here we have that kind of liquid. But now when the temperature is over 0 degrees, we will use only water. Laitetaan tänne tällä hetkellä nyt, on vielä keli on kokonaan plussan puolella, niin tällä hetkellä käytetään täällä pelkkää vettä. So now we have water in this tank, and from this tank it will go through. Here we have this kind of very simple tap like this, which we can use for opening and closing the flow of the water. And here we have this kind of clamp, which can be used for adjusting the amount of water which is going into the blade. And the water will come. Here we have this kind of pipe, and water comes from here and goes into the blade. Mm-hmm. This very simple system. So now we have done all needed reparations for the sawmill. Now we can start sawing, but let's continue that in the next video. See you then. Bye bye.